Locka Tower, information Golf 2049 Zulu, observation, wind 0406, weather's better than 5005, temperature 23, dew point 03, altimeter 3000. Expect an ILS runway 9 left approach, landing and departing runways 9 left, 9 right, 12. No disturbance, runway 9 left glide slope is not monitored by the tower. Runway 9 left localizer is unusable within 0.2 nautical miles.
Locka Tower, Cessna 682 Delta Whiskey is holding short of 9er left for northwest departure.
Cessna 682 Delta Whiskey, Locka Tower, left turn northwest is approved, runway 9 left for takeoff.
9 left, clear for takeoff, and left turn is approved, 2 Delta Whiskey. Alright, everything is good, let's do this!
We have the traffic inside Nine Hotel Charlie.
Center Hotel Charlie, roger. Same type aircraft?
Cessna 172, Nine Hotel Charlie.
Cessna 9 Hotel Charlie, number 2, runway 9 right, clear touch and go.
For 2, 9 right, clear for touch and go, 169 Hotel Charlie.
And there you go. Alright, we're going to climb to 500 feet and make a left turn to the northwest. And there is 500 feet, left turn. Locka Tower, Cessna 981 Bravo Tango is at Locka West with information hotel at 1,000 feet inbound for touch and go.
Number 981 Bravo Tango, Locka Tower, report a 3-mile final, runway 9 right.
Runway 9 right, report 3-mile final, 1 Bravo Tango.
Phoenix Air 15, turn left northwest, contact Miami departure.
Left northwest, contact Miami departure, Phoenix Air 15.
Six Whiskey Whiskey, we got traffic off our nose, appears to be same altitude.
6 Whiskey Whiskey, affirmative to Gulfstream 5. Plan to follow that traffic. Caution wait turbulence.
We'll follow that traffic, 6 Whiskey Whiskey.
Locka Tower, good afternoon. X-Flight 6, visual 9 left.
X-Flight 6, Locka Tower, winds variable 130 to 210 at 9 or gust 15.
Oh, geez.
Left, clear to land.
All right.
Clear left, clear land 9 left, X-Flight 6.
Locka ground, this is November 20332, Skyhawk. We are short of runway 12 on Golf, looking to taxi to the 7 by Atlantic.
G2, contact ground. Number 332, tower. Number 332, tower.
Traffic not available.
One Bravo Tango, taxi via Golf, hold short of runway 12.
Taxi via Golf, hold short of 12, 1 Bravo Tango.
One Bravo Tango, cross runway 12 at Golf, then contact ground.
Cross 12 at Golf, contact ground on the other side, 1 Bravo Tango.